Hey guys, got a 2023 plate VAUXHALL Grandland here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to go to the screen in the centre of the dash. From here, I'm going to press the car button down at the bottom right. And from here, you want to go to settings. Then options, then set date and time, and from here you have the date here, you have the time where you can change it from 12-hour to 24-hour or daylight saving, or there you can turn off the GPS when it's automatic timer. And then here you can set it manually. So put in what you need, say 9:23. Then once you're done, press the green tick at the bottom left. And that's it.